Alright, guys. So, my buddy Adrienn talked me into recording our whole little fix it, do it yourself kind of thing. So, last night I was on my way to my second job, and engine lights started blinking, and to the best of my knowledge, that normally indicates a misfire. Well, the misfire had not happened yet. And about 30 seconds later, I got a nice little sputter in the engine, and it was an annoying misfire. Now, so here I am, recording this like who knows what, just trying to figure out what happened. Well, I apologize for the wetness. So, what it was, one of my spark plugs was all bent out of shape for some odd reason. So, we're going to go ahead and replace all 4 spark plugs in the coil ignition packs just to be safe. Now, I have a 2000, wow, I definitely forgot my year for a second. I have a 2008 Dodge Avenger. She is good to me some days, she's bad to me other days, but it all kind of depends on the mood. The Avenger is a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder. It is, I guess the best way to put that is sensitive. I like the body style. A couple of the placements of a few of the things that they put here, questionable. But that's okay, because we still make it work. So, as you already saw, I took my nice ignition coil pack out. This is a spark plug from one of the other ones I'd already done. And I'm using my little spark plug tester to try and pull out my spark plug like so. Now, the best part about this whole do-it-yourself, oh, I dropped a spark plug, man. Oh, whew. I apologize, guys. Yeah, the best part about this whole do-it-yourself is it's fun. It's easy, and it's kind of convenient, mostly because it just saves you money. I enjoy working on cars. Oh, come on. And it's a lot of fun. The only issue I'm going to run into is for my Dodge Avenger, they don't make very many performance mods. So in time, I'll probably do a few minor mods here and there. Unfortunately, the blocks Dodge used in these can't handle turbo very well. And if they do, it'll be like 5, 6, 7, 8 pounds of boost, but it won't be for very long. Now, a handful of the forums I've seen tell me that the V6, on the other hand, can handle a fair amount of boost, 15 to 20 pounds. Am I going to change my mind on getting another car? Nah, not this time around. So, new spark plugs in. New ignition coil pack. Just a basic 4-pack from courtesy of Duralast at your local parts store. Oh man, I apologize for the wind, guys, because it's a little bit nipply out here. Oh. Well, that's the one thing you guys don't want to do, is lose a bolt. Whew. But all in all, Adrienn, I know you're eventually going to see this, and you're like, God, this is so stupid. And when I mean it's so stupid, it's just because you were expecting so much more. You were expecting more laughs and all that random things. But this is kind of our step one So this is our incentive, Adrienn, for us to go ahead and start making our little YouTube channel. Now, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, we are on our last one. No, you don't want to come off clip. Let's go. Whew. The game plan for my Avenger in time will be a nice cold air intake. If I'm feeling ballsy enough, I will find a turbo and I'll slap it on there. But I think what I'm gonna do next, ooh, it's a little snug. Let's get that spark plug out of there. But what I think I'll do next is I'll paint my wheels. I'll also paint my spoiler. And I'll work on a cold air in the meantime until I figure out if I want to try the turbo when I get a chance to. After that, I think I'm going to aim towards fuel injectors and an exhaust. Mostly because these blocks are very sensitive and fragile. So I gotta be careful what you slap. Because the last thing you want to do is be like, ha ha, we need more power. And then, you know, you're cruising down the road. Your block's like, all right, cool, I've had enough. And you throw a rod, you break a rod, then it's just a really bad day. Ho ho, ladies and gentlemen, we have a little bit of oil in that one. So that was another one. It's fire. Now, hopefully, we can get all situated and squared away. And we can get it running all nice and pretty yet again. Now, one of the nice things about me is I'm a pretty funny guy sometimes. I'm pretty honest and super blunt. Some days I really love my car, other days I really hate it. But I do think that the whole YouTube idea would be a fun thing to do. Mostly because it's like studying. You know? But instead of you studying like schoolwork and shit you kind of don't want to do, it's like, damn, you know, I've seen somebody else do this. Well, maybe I could try that. With cars, it's even more fun because you're like, nah, most cars can be the same, but nobody wants the same car. And the idea is, I haven't seen anybody try to mod out, oh come on, a Dodge Avenger. Like even the man, you did not want to step back in there, do you? All right, so then we do it this way. See, look, can't even get it in the hole. Ha ha ha! There you are. But it's gonna be a good time, and as I work on my car, maybe you guys will enjoy the laughs. Maybe I'll play some music next time. Because, with that being said, that spark plug is done. Last coil pack. clip her back in. Push it down. Buzz it down, Tatiana, buzz it down. Oh, man. All right. Now, what's really fun is I am also in a cool little car club. Hellraisers out of Maryland. Just started up, mostly just a small car club with me and friends. I got a feeling it's going to be fun, it's going to be dope. And we're going to have ourselves a jolly good time. Whew, man, it's cold. Well, let's start her up, shall we? And as I live and breathe. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Black Lightning. This is the first time we decided to do YouTube. Let's see if we can keep this going. Peace.